Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold to test out. Now this one is, I believe, a candlestick holder, but we'll see. So I've mixed up some epoxy resin, and to that epoxy resin I've added this blue glitter. It's a darker blue glitter. It's got a holographic shine to it. It's a really pretty glitter. And all I'm going to do is fill up this mold and we'll see what it turns out like. I'm just going to have just enough if I don't make a big huge mess. So that was about just under 130 mils of resin mixed up, and I will just let that sit for a few minutes, and then I will grab my little heat tool here and I'll pop these bubbles, and then I'll let it cure for 24 to 48 hours and we'll be back for the unmolding. Okay, it has been 48 hours. Time to unmold this candlestick holder. Let's see how easy this one is going to be to get out. Ooh. Gosh, that was a two-man job trying to get that out without raking the mold. But I think the end result is worth it. How stunning is this? So nice. Well, if you're looking for a candlestick holder, give this one a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.